Hi, in this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to add or connect Instagram to your Shopify. Let's come to the computer screen, and here is the dashboard of Shopify. You have to click here an option apps, and you will find a search bar here. Select Facebook, or you may click here at App Store. Here we go. Now you have to click here Facebook and Instagram. Here we go. We have this app here and free to install. You have to click this. Click add app. Here we go. Now add a sale channel. Now you can start setup. And you have to connect to your Facebook page where your Instagram is connected already. Now connect account. Here is all the pages that I am managing. You can create a new page or you can select the existing one like giveaway shopping. I'm gonna connect it. Now you have to select the option of Instagram data sharing preferences. Save this. The job done. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.